So Danielle and her family came to us. They were just starting the construction of their dream home here in Watermark. They have quite a large property. It's a 1/3 of a hectare lot. It features 16 trees, numerous amounts of shrubs, large caliper trees and shrubs. It's got rock bed features, a rock pathway. So we installed a sport court for them in the back. It's a larger sport court that features a basketball net. It's got tennis, volleyball capabilities. On this project, we also installed a synthetic putting green that features 3 holes. It has undulation in the green to make the putting slightly more difficult. And it's all framed in by the concrete curbing, which makes it super easy to maintain, and also the golf balls are never leaving the putting surface. The main challenge of this project is with the large sport court in the back, we had to maintain a very flat grade at the back, which made managing the water somewhat difficult. The way we managed the water was through a series of underground drainage systems. We installed a French drain at the back to capture a lot of the water flow, and also diverted water into weeping tile and buried that underneath the ground and channeled it towards our French drain. Okay, so here are our natural stone steps. These were shipped in from interior BC for the project. We've also used matching boulders on either side. You'll see we've got some in-light bullard lights for pathway lighting, just to kind of give some light to this space, so if you're walking at it at night. As I talked about before, here's our fencing. This is a keyed gate. These are 5-foot ornamental steel gates. Our drainage boxes are installed for the downspouts. We've installed 40 mil Rundle rock here on top of contractor grade fabric. We've also installed these Rundle stepping stones, flagstones. Here's our beautiful sport court, tiled in a number of different colors, line painted for a number of different activities. We've got a basketball hoop, which is adjustable height. We've got these beautiful columnar blue spruces installed for privacy. They're anywhere between 6 and 8 feet tall now, and they will grow larger and create great privacy. Also a good spot for balls to hit and not go into the neighbor's yard. Our French drain runs along the back of the property line here, so it is all below grade. Again, the fencing perimeter of the property. On this end, we've got our putting green, synthetic turf. We've got our concrete curbing, some feature boulders. You've noticed we've used a few rocks here to retain this grade to create a flat space on the back, or on the side and back of the house. We've installed some very large blue spruce, very mature trees for privacy again, for the whole backyard. It's going to be a very private backyard in a few years. Again, we've got some feature lights here. So these are in-light scopes, so they'll light up the tree and create that beautiful nighttime vibe. Our sump drain runs into our eaves trough, and then an extended eaves trough here to exit the property on the side. If we walk around this way, we've got another keyed gate. And this side of the house is more about aesthetics. So it has a Rundle rock on top of fabric again, concrete curbing, underground irrigation heads that are on an automatic timer, lighting to feature the trees, a number of shrubs, some beautiful perennials, and an address rock out front to show where you're at. In the end of this project, we have a very functional yard. It's very easy to maintain, aesthetically pleasing, but it's also very practical for this family. The practicality of this landscape, it was probably the #1 priority for the clients, as they have quite a large family that likes to spend a lot of time outdoors, and so managing every square foot of the space was super important.